Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about the 18th of February. It's an important day in my opinion because there is a conjunction between the Moon and Venus, and there's the North Lunar Node as well, and that's happening in Pisces here between at about 9 degrees, between 9 and 10. It's a 1 degree type of conjunction, so it is a very tight one. The North Lunar Node representing that which we should be tending to go, if possible, that's going to be enhanced. The Moon is going to trigger strong emotions, and Venus is going to trigger strong feelings. So if you're in love, you're going to be quite passionate about the whole affair. But there is a square, which is a discordance here, this red line with the black moon, which is in Sagittarius. And that is indicating that perhaps there is a dark zone somewhere. Is it really love that you feel, or is it sexual attraction, perhaps? Or something, quite ambiguous? It is very important to assess that, to make sure that there is no dark zone whatsoever in the manner in which you're going to deal with this feeling of yours. Well, the moon will trigger something strong, but it could be a mistake. If, that dark zone represented by the black moon, does its job, if I should say, it means that there is something lingering on, and it has been lingering on for a while. Venus has been in Pisces for maybe about 1 week or something like that, before it is in conjunction here with the moon. So the moon was here as well, about 8-9 days before. The moon was around here, so it triggered something then. Maybe it helped you assess what that dark zone was. Is it a real feeling of love, or is it something else? That needs to be assessed. And of course, this feeling of love of which I'm talking about may be something else. It doesn't have to be love as such. It can be some kind of interest that you have in a project, a situation, a person. But beware of what you say, what you do, and how you involve yourself, either in a relationship or in an activity or in a project. Especially if you have to do it in a official way, legal way even. And if there is something wrong, which actually we may find out, the Epstein files, they're very important at the moment. Everybody's talking about that. So a lot of people have those dark zones in their sentimental life, which is represented by Venus. But perhaps everyone has dark zones in their sentimental approach to life and relationships. But that doesn't make them subject to errors like some people can, So there is a difference between the common man and those people who believe that because they have the money, they have the power, and they're untouchable. It seems that it is not the case. So it's not the case for them, and you should be aware of the fact that it won't be the case for you either. So just make sure that what you feel and how you express those feelings are morally correct, if not politically correct. and then you should be okay. And we all should be okay. But as I said, it may not be love as such. It could be something that you'd like for yourself. You know, you want to buy a new dress or something like that, but it's quite expensive. And maybe when you buy this, you'll find that it's not exactly what you were looking for, and you have overlooked something that was very important, like a defect on this product. So perhaps you can bring it back, get your money back, and that's it. But perhaps you cannot. So it all depends how this defect has come to the garment or whatever you buy, because it has something to do with Venus. So naturally, it has something to do with what we like, because Venus represents the good things of life. It is the goddess of love, but it's not only that. It represents how much we can benefit from the good things of life, and how much we are, at times more than others, eager, to obtain the best from our life. So, well, that could be a motivation. Therefore, it could be money, for example. But just remember that the dark moon represents something that may likely go wrong. If it's only go wrong, it's not too bad, but it could be going very wrong, and that becomes much more troublesome. So take it easy. Remember what I say today on the 18th of February at about 6:30 in the morning. 6:30 in the morning. That is 11:30 at night in New York, for example, or 1:30 in the morning, in New York. And it may be much earlier than that if you're in Los Angeles, San Francisco, or anywhere else in the world, actually, for that matter. So work out what time it is. But remember, the dark zone, it is around. So once you assess what it is, once you know what it is, then you know how to treat it. And you know how to behave so that you don't get into any trouble. And also so that you don't get other people eventually involved into trouble as well. That's my advice for the day. And if you follow this advice, everything should go well, and you will benefit from the largesse of Venus. Thank you very much. All the very best. Take care, and see you soon for another short video. Bye for now.